Savannah, are you playing with your daddy?
Are you videotaping?
Uh-huh.
Oh, good throw. Get up there.
Savannah's getting so old and interactive and does all these fun things now. She's starting to say some words. She plays with us. She tells us what she wants. She gets mad when she doesn't get what she wants.
That's me.
Can you tell me something? Ah! Whoa, what happened? The light got all crazy.
Attack, yeah. There's Thomas.
She picked out her favorite ball at Target, and it was Thomas the Train.
Oh, she's going crazy. Wiggly worm. You're a wiggle worm.
She climbs all over the place. She likes to stand up and play in the car.
Oh, what's that? Cool.
She can pull the stand. She can climb over us. Are you gonna pat? Can you say hi? We're on our way back from Eureka in the middle of the mountains for a quick pit stop. SJ. Hi. I love you. I love you. All the strangers that kept seeing her when we were out in Eureka kept saying she had beautiful eyes. Say bye-bye. Mommy's gonna turn it off.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Oh, hi. Have a seat.